So my name is Adasha Hill. I'm a senior social work major and criminal justice minor at Messiah University. During my time here at BUS, I am definitely growing a lot as a woman of God and getting more in tune with where I am spiritually. I had a conversation the other day with Micah just about where my soul is right now. And in that, I got to really understand the things that are deeply affecting my spirit. And I realized that the internship that I have this semester can have a deep impact on my spirit. And in that, I need to wrestle with that and wrestle with God to grow. The community at BUS is a unique community. Everyone here is so loving and so kind, and they want the best for you. So in my time here, when I've had hard moments, I've been able to go to my roommate, and she walks with me through that. And so do my RCs, and so does Micah. So everybody here is open and inviting and really helps to cultivate not just a community, but a Christ-like community, because you can go to them and you can pour out and they'll pour into you. And I've really appreciated that during my time here.
New York
One thing I really appreciate about the community here and what makes it different is the fact that we can wrestle with the hard things and it doesn't tear the community apart, it strengthens us.